Stop scrolling. Your brain has been hacked and you don't even know it. Stop right there. Yeah, you. Don't pretend you weren't just about to fall headfirst into another 3-hour TikTok rabbit hole. Be honest. How many just 5 more minutes turn into full-blown time warps today? 1 second, it's just one video. And next thing you know, you're watching a guy build a swimming pool out of mud, a cat scream like a human, and some dude explain how the pyramids were actually alien charging stations. Meanwhile, your real life, on pause. Your goals, ghosted. Your productivity, missing. Presumed dead. Here's the cold, hard truth. Your brain has been hijacked. You're stuck in a dopamine loop so tight it's basically a drug addiction. But guess what? It's not your fault. Your brain is wired for survival. It wants quick pleasure and zero pain. So instead of chasing wins, finishing projects, going to the gym, making actual progress, you're getting cheap, instant dopamine hits from scrolling, snacking, and sinking into distraction. And spoiler, it's wrecking your potential. But here's the plot twist. I found a ridiculously simple brain hack that flipped my focus overnight. No hype, no grind set fluff, no 4 a.m. cold plunges. Just one stupidly effective trick I call the dopamine menu. It rewired my brain to crave progress instead of distractions. And it can do the same for you. Let's crack this open. Why you can't focus. The dopamine trap, pollo. Let's talk about dopamine, your brain's personal drug dealer. Dopamine is the chemical that rewards you every time you do something your brain thinks is good. Eat something tasty? Dopamine. Get a like on a post? Dopamine. Finish a task you've been avoiding for days? Big dopamine. But your brain? Kinda dumb. It can't tell the difference between, I just closed a $10K deal, and I just binge-watched 14 videos of a llama dancing to techno. So instead of chasing real rewards, we chase easy ones. Shortcuts. Quick hits. Mental junk food. That's how you end up stuck in the loop. Scroll, snack, repeat. Feel empty. Scroll again. And we wonder why we feel so drained, so stuck, so off. It's not laziness. It's biochemistry. And now that you know that, let's flip the switch. The day everything changed. My story. My mornings used to be a disaster. Wake up, check phone, scroll aimlessly for 45 minutes. Tell myself, I'll be productive after breakfast. But surprise, breakfast came, productivity didn't. By noon, I'd done nothing except consume useless content and question my life choices. Meanwhile, I'd see people online crushing goals, leveling up, launching businesses, while I was still in bed, buried under notifications and chips. Then one day, something snapped. I'd just lost 3 hours researching productivity hacks and still hadn't done anything. The irony? Brutal. So I tried something new. I built the dopamine menu, a list of tiny, satisfying actions that gave me real dopamine and made me better. At first, it felt dumb. I had to force myself to do even the smallest thing. My phone felt like a magnet. My brain screamed for distractions. But I stuck to it. By day 3, something weird happened. I didn't have to push myself anymore. I actually wanted to get stuff done. Checking off tasks felt amazing. Each win gave me a little rush. Finishing things started to feel addictive. By the end of the week, I was in beast mode. Not hustling, not grinding, just naturally productive and actually enjoying it. This wasn't discipline, it was dopamine redirection. I tricked my brain into chasing success instead of scrolling. Now productivity isn't something I try to do. It's something I crave. And the best part? You don't need more motivation. You just need a better menu. The dopamine menu. Trick your brain into craving success. Here's how it works. Your brain is always hungry. And right now it's binging on junk dopamine. Social media, chips, Netflix. You don't need to stop the hunger. You just need to change what's on the menu. Let's break it down. Appetizers. Small dopamine snacks that get you moving. Blast your favorite hype song and dance like a lunatic. Make your bed. Yes, it matters. Do 10 jumping jacks or push-ups. Chug a full glass of cold water. Write down one tiny task and do it immediately. Main course. The deep work that fuels your future. 45 minutes of distraction-free focus. Set a timer. Read 10 pages of a book that lights your brain up. Write down a massive goal. Then take a baby step. Cook a full meal from scratch. Go outside. Move. Breathe. Sunlight-free dopamine. Side dishes. Turn boring tasks into dopamine games. Clean your room while blasting a podcast. Turn emails into a race. Speedrun your inbox. Make errands fun. Call a friend while doing them. Stack tasks rewards. Finish report, then get coffee. Dessert. Guilty pleasures on a leash. Watch one episode, not the whole show. Enjoy your favorite snack. But after finishing something, scroll TikTok. But use a 15-minute timer like it's a bomb. Specials dopamine jackpots, but you gotta earn them. Book a weekend trip after a major win. Buy yourself something only after crushing a real goal. Take a guilt-free lazy day, earned, not by default. Now it's your turn. Build your dopamine menu. You've made it this far, which means you're serious. So here's your challenge. Step 1. Open your notes app, journal, or scratch paper. Write out your dopamine menu: appetizers, mains, sides, dessert, specials. Step 2. Make it visible. Stick it on your wall. Screenshot it. Make it your lock screen. Your brain needs to see the options. Step 3. Commit for 7 days. That's it. No, starting Monday. No, I'll wait till I feel motivated. Just test it. You don't have to overhaul your life. Just start making dopamine work for you, not against you. And when it clicks, when your brain actually starts craving momentum, you'll never want to go back. Oh, and one more thing. Send me your menu. I want to see how you're hacking your brain. Final shot. Who's really in control? Let's get real. Dopamine isn't the villain. The villain is giving away your attention for free. The villain is letting your potential rot while distractions win. So ask yourself, are you in control of your brain? Or is your brain being played by an algorithm? Fast forward a year. Are you still stuck, numbed out, distracted? Or are you making moves, stacking wins, living life on purpose? This moment right here is your pivot point. Decide. Take back your dopamine. Take back your focus. Take back your damn life. Now go build your menu. Use it, live it. And become the version of you that you know is waiting. You in? And if this hits you even a little, don't just keep scrolling. Like the video. Subscribe for more. And drop a comment with your first item on your dopamine menu. Let's rewire our brains, one habit at a time.